say I have probably raised $75,000 for youth across America.
Why are you crying? Tell me about your story. What did my art bring to your life?
And of course,
yeah, no, you really do. And I love that my dad and I can continue to do this. And even my daughter, she's 4, she's already painting a studio with 3 dogs.
I can hear you, and then we'll meet you right over front, and you can claim your raffle basket. And here goes the first one. Going twice. Next. 772017. Uh-oh. Better luck next time, RJ. What is?
Lucky one is 772140.
7720. We'll have more raffle tickets given away in just a little bit. The first rewards are coming up shortly after the 4 o'clock hour, and the boys are back in town. And once again, it's Brandon Jones.
Somebody gotta strike the match, break the ice. Mean what they say what they mean, the way I see it. Might as well be me. Somebody gotta shake things up. Got some on my Any city girls out there? We got any city girls out there? Never been. We show so many city girls how country feels. We play mostly gangster rap, but play some country. sometimes. Still got me.
You have literally become one of the most recognized brands in the world in motorcycles. How does that happen?
Luck. It really is. We're lucky. So, you know, we live, eat, breathe, sleep motorcycles, so it's our passion.
You are so involved. You may be the most involved builder I've ever seen, as far as like, because you have a successful parts line as well.
If you want, anybody who's interested in what we do there, just go up on YouTube. Subscribe to our YouTube page.
And the first one is...
772.
Oh, we heard something. 162. Wave your hands. Jump over that. There we go. Wave it.
772 133.
133 right there. Is that 133? Oh, see, that's what happens when you buy 6 for $100. You can win tons and tons of prizes. And we're just getting started. Bigger and better every single year. Everything that Jason does and his entire team. We thank them for all their hard work. And if you haven't had a chance to come up here right in front of the stage and check out these custom awards, the first ones of those we give away in about an hour. More food, more beer, more Jim Daniels and Jim Beam. That's right, we got the Beam special drinks down there at the bar.
What up? What up, everybody? Play some music. We mostly do gangster rap. My heart in line is down tonight. Working on the sound. A little happiness, a little love is all I want in town. This is I will see. We got a song about it. Let's go Black Hills Back Road. You can download this anywhere you get it. That's where the good life begins.
Congratulations, Jamie. It's a beautiful bike. Sponsored by Gypsy Rose Tattoo in Hill City. Tony Williams with a 1997 Fat Boy. Where you at, Tony? From Richie, this 2003 Softail. Clap it up. Nice job, Mitch. Nice bike. By Mustang Sally's. It belongs to a 2023 Road Glide ST owned by Scott Flockhart. Where you at, Scott? Oh, he's running. Oh, he's running.
And now, without further ado,
My 19th simple cat straight ready to start. At a quarter to one, just looking for one. Cocaine, closing nights and well. Come, let's get going. Only you can keep me rolling. Do we have them all? Cocaine. Oh, tonight, say well. Oh, tonight.